they love show tunes, so Elizabeth's going to do something in your honor.
And I was trying to decide what was a good song to sing, and my sister actually came up with the idea. She said, oh wait, Columbus Day Parade, let's do Don't Rain on My Parade. So I actually think, Borough President, you can thank me for not having rain today. So you're welcome, everyone. To live, just sit and putter. Life's candy and the sun's all a butter. Don't bring around a cloud to rain on my parade. Don't tell me not to fly, I simply got to. If someone takes a spin, it's me and not you. Who told you you're allowed to rain on my parade? I'll march my band out, I'll be my drum. And if I'm ship affection, a freckle on the nose of life's complexion, a cinder or the shiny apple of its eye. I gotta fly once, I gotta try once, only can die once, right, sir? Oh, life is juicy, and you see, I've got to have my bite, sir. Get ready for me, love, cause I'm a comer. I simply gotta march my heart's a drummer. Don't bring around a cloud to rain on my parade. I'm gonna live and live now. Get what I want, I know how. One roll of the whole shebang. One throw, that bell will go clang. I am the target and bam. One shot, one gunshot and bam. Hey, mister,